Keeping up with all the latest kitchen cooking appliance trends is exhausting, not to mention space consuming. If there was only a way to combine them all into one. And there is, with the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Pro Grill and Griddle. We're Review to You. We review the latest and greatest products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. We'll let you know at the end of this video how you can easily win this product. It's no secret air fryers have taken the world by storm. You can check out our review of the famous Ninja fryer we did back in September. But mini grills have always been the real MVP, whether you're camping the great outdoors or just fixing a late breakfast in the middle of your college lecture. Ninja decided to go all out, combining a mini grill, air fryer, and a whole host of other kitchen cooking appliances for the Foodi Smart XL Pro. Specs and features. Inside the Foodi Smart XL Pro is a heating element rated up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, creating direct edge-to-edge high heat searing for better charred grilled results. Think steakhouse-style grilling. These independently powered grill plates mean that an even edge-to-edge heat is achieved along the cooking surface, ensuring all food is cooked at the same speed without burning. A flat-top griddle means you can easily cook foods too delicate for the grill. You've got the ability to choose between 7 different cooking modes: grill, roast, broil, bake, barbecue griddle, air crisp, and dehydrate. Plus, with the Smart Cook system, you're able to perfectly cook any protein to exactly the doneness you want. No more overcooked steaks here. And with the hood down, you've got a cyclonic air fryer, big enough to cook up to 2 pounds of your favorite air-fried snack with 75% less fat. So, what do we like about the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Pro Grill and Griddle? It feels like this thing was built for breakfast. Bacon, eggs, toast, all on the same pan. Plus, if your big oven is occupied, you've got another handy roaster or air fryer on hand to take care of the sides. So what's the downside? Running at full power, the Foodi Smart XL Pro is a little loud. So if your kitchen is chaotic, it's only going to add to that. And although it does cook steaks exactly how you like them, it's going to take a little longer than using the barbecue or frying pan. So, what are other people saying about the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Pro Grill and Griddle? Lane V loved her Foodi XL. She says, "I've had mine for a week now and used all the functions. Everything works great, and I especially like the larger grill. The griddle feature is awesome for breakfast. It may be somewhat pricey now, but you get what you pay for. Good quality." S. Shatler wasn't as impressed, writing, "Steaks did cook, though, but took extra time. Unable to grill beefsteak to rare or medium rare with any sear crispness or char, unless steak thickness is near 1.5 inches. Grill grate never gets near 500 as advertised." So what's the verdict? The Foodi XL is definitely handy, but we're not fully convinced it replaces everything in the kitchen just yet. As a secondary grill, griddle, or air fryer, it works great. But don't throw out your old camping stove just yet. And we give the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Pro Grill and Griddle 3.5 out of 5 stars. And our Ninja Foodi Smart XL Pro Grill and Griddle could be yours. We'll be giving it away to one lucky subscriber. To be in the drawing to win the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Pro Grill and Griddle, the rules are very simple. Just make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then leave a comment in this video with the secret hashtag from today's review. That's it. I hope you were paying attention. But just in case you missed it the first time, you can always go back and watch again. We'll then select a subscriber at random and announce the winner exactly a week from now. Good luck. If you liked what you saw today and you can't wait to see if you've won, we've included our purchase link in the description below. This has been Review to You. where we review and give to you for free. From Matt and Gary, see you guys next time.